Hi everyone! In this video we are diving into the weekly and monthly levels, and just like the daily ones, the concept remains the same. The levels help us understand market structure, identify key zone and spot precise trading opportunities in line with the strategy. Here on the 1 hour chart on Nasdaq, we can clearly see how the price react on the levels and how they guide us in deciding where to enter and in which direction to trade. Starting from early November, price open inside the range zone monthly and weekly, make a few attempts to break out on the upper side right near the weekly environment change area, a perfect spot for short opportunity. After that failed breakout, as the strategy suggests, price moved to the list to test the lower side of the range, where we could look for a long setup. Just like with the daily levels, after several tries, price broke through the lower part of the range, shifting into a directional short weekly environment. This move took price straight in the weekly buy zone, where it reacted, pushing up toward the weekly reversal zone, an area often provide temporary strength. From there, the price attempted a new environment change, which got rejected after a few week bounce from the buy zone. We saw the Friday morning sell-off. The move drove price all the way down the monthly reversal zone, where it found strong support and started at a powerful squeeze. But for now, price is simply retesting the weekly range zone. Looking at the monthly levels, you can see that price is currently in the monthly reverting zone, suggesting possible environment shift ahead. But we'll find out soon enough. This week will tell us more. And in next video, I will see how to read the VIX using my levels to get even clear reference to price direction and market sentiment. Don't miss it. See you in next video.